lose her head. Here's... Oh, no, don't do that. Here's this karate dude. Ah! Don't tickle me! Look, look, it's raining outside. It's raining. It's raining. Yes, we're making this video. Here's the rain. What the heck? Wesley! What'd you do to the pole? Why'd you put mud on the pole?
It wasn't perfect.
Well, it doesn't look like that could happen by accident very well.
Well, I was standing here and mud on it, and
So you decided to use a white pole to clean your shoe? Yes!
something just made me touch the pole with my shoe.
What about this other pole? Did you rape it or something? I bet you did. I bet you're a pole raper. Oh my God! What's all this dirt on the ground? Where did that come from? Where did it come from? Where? Tell me. Tell me now. Death awaits you. Death awaits you in your sleep. But I'll wake you up first and carve your eyeballs out with spoons. That's right, spoons. And I'll put ketchup and mustard on the spoon so they burn when I peel your eyes out. It'll burn, burn. Oh, it'll be terrible. You'll scream and cry and you'll want your mommy. And then I'll tell you I killed your mommy. And you'll be like, no you didn't. I'll be like, you call my mom. I'm still grinding your eyeballs out with spoons. Quit being stupid!
No, you said me to.
Quit being stupid because I have a camera rolling. Not funny. No. I gave you away. Quit looking at yourself. So selfish. I can't see you. Because you're stupid! I'm gonna get back over here and kill Wesley.
What?
Go!